Lesson 10. Staying motivated and enjoying the journey. Script. The most important part of YouTube is enjoying the process. Some videos will do well, others won't. That's normal for everyone. Celebrate your progress. Every video you make is a victory. Remember why you started: to share, to teach, to connect, or simply to have fun. YouTube is a journey, not a race. And as a senior, you bring something valuable that no one else can offer: your voice, your experience, and your heart. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Lesson 10, and it's a big one: staying motivated and enjoying the journey. We all start new projects, new habits, or new goals with a huge burst of excitement. But what happens when that initial spark starts to fade? How do you keep going when things get tough, or frankly, a little boring? First, let's talk about your why. Your reason for starting is your most powerful fuel. It's not just about what you want to achieve, but why it truly matters to you. Is it for your health, your family, your personal growth? Write it down. Put it somewhere you'll see it every day. When your motivation dips, reconnecting with your why is like a supercharge for your spirit. It reminds you that the effort is worth it. And this brings me to a crucial point: enjoy the process. So often, we get fixated on the destination, on that final outcome, that we forget to appreciate the journey itself. The journey is where the learning happens, where you grow, and where you discover things about yourself. Find joy in the daily practice. Notice how you're improving, even if it's just a little bit. If you're learning to cook, savor the smells and the textures. If you're getting fit, appreciate how much stronger you feel each week. Don't be afraid to adjust your sails. Sometimes, the path you planned isn't the right one, and that's okay. Being flexible is a sign of strength, not failure. If a certain strategy isn't working, try a new one. The goal is progress, not perfection. Also, build a support system. Share your goals with friends, or find a community of people on a similar path. Sharing your struggles and successes with others makes the journey less lonely and much more fun. Remember, motivation isn't a constant state. It ebbs and flows for everyone. The key isn't to feel motivated all the time, but to have systems in place that keep you moving forward even when you don't feel like it. Focus on your why. Celebrate small wins. Enjoy the process and lean on your support system. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.